All facts. Nah, how it goes. This shit don't
getting
stop.
money come first. All the other shit be second. How you talkin' smoke when you broke? 10 niggas sharing one weapon. Like what? But you know me. Every time a nigga step out, I'm with them steppers. Kept on salt on my name, got hit with that pepper. Put a little pep in your step, you too slow with the grind, where's the effort? Shit too hot in my city, gotta slide back out to New Bedford. Facts, nigga, all facts. From the school of the hard knocks, your bitch ass couldn't get a whole pass. Alright, we know about the block you from. We know, fuck all of that, what block you spun. I'll wait, try and get clout off the shit that the next nigga done. As a youngin', I used to play with them guns for fun. Facts, but I'm grown now, only bring out them guns to protect my funds. Stop talking big money shit, you's a fucking bum. Your gram life and your real life ain't adding up. What you think, we dumb? Come on, been doing this since 2001. Stop posting that money, stack that shit like 2001. Yeah, getting money come first. All the other shit be second. How you talkin' smoke when you broke? 10 niggas sharing one weapon. Like what? But you know me. Every time a nigga step out, I'm with them steppers. Kept on salt on my name, got hit with that pepper. Put a little pep in your step, you too slow with the grind, where's the effort? Shit too hot in my city, gotta slide back out to New Bedford. Facts, nigga, all facts. From the school of the hard knocks, your bitch ass couldn't get a whole pack.
You can feel the pressure when I step in this bitch. Big glizzy and it came with a switch. 30 deep and we all got a stick. If we spin this block, then we flipping this whip. Binge watching all these episodes, I pray a bitch nigga die slow. Seen the opposition finger got the click and went on T just so I can lay low. I be getting to it, I'm the main event. You don't think so? Nigga, place your bet. You hit the strip club with your little rent. Y'all be two-faced just like Harvey Dent. Told them other guys on the other side, drop a location and I'm gonna slide. If you play the block, I let the butterfly. If you owe money, then your money
money come first. All the other shit be second. How you talkin' smoke when you broke? 10 niggas sharing one weapon. Like what? But you know me. Every time a nigga step out, I'm with them steppers. Kept on salt on my name, got hit with that pepper. Put a little pep in your step, you too slow with the grind, where's the effort? Shit too hot in my city, gotta slide back out to New Bedford. Facts, nigga, all facts. From the school of the hard knocks, your bitch ass couldn't get a whole pass.